terrifying.
Beta Final Fantasy Goofy.
Yeah, let me look him up. Oh, I'm awake.
Not Final Fantasy, Kingdom Hearts.
Oh, I am a little boy. Ah!
Whoa!
Whoa!
He come from?
Oh my god!
She has big feet too.
Character, he could be really
Sorry,
cool.
you
and
lazy bum.
Doesn't get to do anything.
Snoozing down here.
Why are her feet big too?
Thing swallowed me up.
Everyone got
Oh,
the
these
big
beta
feet.
designs are wild.
Are you still
Yeah.
dreaming? It wasn't a
Walding
dream.
Day.
Or
Guys, it wasn't a dream.
I don't know. What was that
It was a
place?
dive into the heart.
Tuesday
Because of the events of birth by
So
sleep.
bizarre. It was like there was a
influenced
big, beautiful glass woman. Yeah, she called Sora a lazy
I
bum.
would like to see it.
It's a very important cutscene.
I'd like to see it too.
Oh, whoa. We do not need to see that.
Oh,
Harrison, what are you
Get
implying?
that out of here. Get that the heck out of here.
Harrison, what are you implying?
Aren't you guys forgetting
I'm saying no kink in Kingdom Hearts, Jacob.
Oh, okay, no kink. Look at him though. Change your mind.
it. Don't forget about Riku.
Oh man, I wish I could dress like him.
What's stopping you?
You can.
I don't have
You
the
100%
money.
can.
Yeah, so like
What? Are you kidding?
next convention we gotta go like
It's dressed
this. We
like a
gotta pull
first
up.
grader.
No, I'm not gonna dress it for convention. I just want to casually dress like him.
I'm gonna dress
Yeah,
up as
just like
Kyrie.
a first grader, and you'll look just like him. He's even got like the blue khaki shorts.
That's so cool.
Fucking laugh.
She's such a freak character.
She's a little creature. Holy shit.
Shout out to creatures.
Kingdom Hearts
Shout out
final
to Kingdom
mix.
Hearts final mix.
That was the intro.
Kingdom Hearts.
Yeah, bro,
that's
that-
the dramatic intro. Kyrie going.
That's really really pulls you into the game world, you know.
Oh man, I can't wait to play this.
Islands.
I can't wait to hang out with Goofy and Donald, man.
Why does every game start out with the most boring intro like this?
No, bro, she's in
Kingdom
an
Hearts
outhouse.
2's intros
How is this boring?
slaps. Birth by Sleep's
Well,
intros
Kingdom Hearts 2 is a
slaps.
sequel. Doesn't count.
That's true.
But it's also a very boring intro, so...
Nah, Twilight Town's awesome, bro. What
No,
are you
no,
talking about?
Kingdom Hearts 2 has like one of my favorite intros in any game ever.
Okay,
Don't at me.
What?
Wait,
Very
It's
good.
way,
How do I-
if it were shorter, sure. But
Guys,
it's
how
way
do
too long.
I can't? How do I access the menu? Okay, here we go.
You gotta get that log and stuff.
Okay.
No, no, go back! Jacob, go back!
No,
go
no, no.
back.
Hey, Jacob.
Oh, he's
Let him
coming.
go!
He's gonna
What
pop
is
out
it?
of your
I thought that-
screen.
I thought that said mummy.
Okay,
Okay.
my like mouse sensitivity is like.
Gabe, why
off
would
the
it say
shits.
mummy?
know
Genuine
why.
question, why would it say mummy?
I don't know why I would say mummy.
Gabe, you're too far gone in this mummy fantasy.
Oh
Okay.
no.
Okay,
I
yeah,
wake
this is
up
better.
having
This is a lot better.
from my mummy nightmares.
Let's talk to this funny
You
character.
gotta get that boat. Wacky guy.
What's
Bruce again.
happening, man?
What's happening, man? That's it.
He's just so laid back.
That needed a cutscene.
I'm really glad they put that character there and gave him that cutscene.
So great.
Awesome.
Who's this freak?
Yeah, that,
Oh, God.
He's
They
there.
give him
That's great.
cutscenes for that.
Oh my dude, legit. The camera is like a fucking atrocious. Holy shit.
It's auto, right? You put it on auto.
I
Wait
did
till
put it
the
on auto.
platform
That was my.
mechanics come in.
Oh
I
god,
bet, I bet you
fucked up.
can. I bet you can change it later. I bet you can change it in the settings.
Please let me change it. Keyboard. Before. Wait, what? This game is copyrighted work. The copyright. Nah, we don't gotta worry about that.
Nah.
Can I really not change auto? There wasn't an option.
customize maybe.
Nope.
Fig.
Oh, you got a Sora customizer. Awesome.
Oh yes.
Well, enjoy your
This sucks, man.
auto
That was what you
camera.
didn't have.
Should we? Do you want to start the game over?
Nah, it's
or,
funnier this way.
It's funnier, but we're playing the whole
Wait,
game.
where's his big magic wand?
He doesn't get the big
Uh,
magic wand until he says the
that-
magic words.
No, Gabe, that was a
Because it
dream.
was in
Do
his-
you
it
understand?
was
That
in
wasn't a
his-
dream. That wasn't real,
It
Gabe.
was
Maybe
in
you're
his
not paying
dive
enough
into the
attention.
heart. It's not. That's not what's going on in reality.
Yeah, Gabe,
He's
that
so,
was in
he's
his
so
beating
agile for a
heart.
little boy. He's like doing gymnastics and shit.
Sora, you feel lucky today?
It just ends like that.
No, not really.
Yeah.
Oh, a little competition.
No,
Let's go.
No, put sorry not now. Don't hang out with him.
Yeah, this is how you end up.
I wanna
spending
beat
a
up this little
bazillion
kid.
hours in Destiny Islands. No, he's
You're
gonna
not
be the
doing a
shit
great
out of you.
job.
No, I got this.
Ah, I didn't think he did.
No, look at me go, look at me go.
Nah.
Kill you.
This kid
Dude,
got
I
you.
think you're gonna murder this
I
child.
just
That's the
got you.
plan.
You're just beating him on the head with a big wooden stick.
You're gonna drown him.
Boom, boom. Ah, ouch!
Oh, why is he so
This is like
tough?
Lord-
Nah, Titus got you.
He's like 8 years
This is
old.
like
What
Lord
the
of-
hell?
Nah, all the kids on Disney Islands are OP as fuck.
Why?
All the little children on
Because
Disney Island,
It doesn't
man.
make sense. They're like
Wait,
4.
so Kyrie sent you to go get the boat shit, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
I
Jacob,
wasn't
you
paying
have-
attention.
You
Go
have
get the
you
logs.
have
Go
to
get.
beat
There's a
Riku
log
in
down
the
there. I
race.
see on the right.
Jacob, when the race happens, you have to beat Riku.
Okay,
You have to.
I've played this
You
opening
100%.
sequence before on PlayStation, and I did not beat Riku, so I'm not confident in my abilities.
I will be so upset in you if you don't beat Riku.
You gotta do better, Jacob.
Jacob, be better is basically what I'm saying.
Okay, 2
Jacob,
logs,
I'm gonna
1
s-
cloth,
I'm gonna send
1
you-
rope. 2 squeezes of lemon, 1 shot of gin.
One,
Now that's what I call a drink.
cat's eyeball.
Feather of owl.
Hey, if freaking Merlin is in this game, why isn't Dracula? Is what I'm
That's
wondering.
the real
there's no
question.
significant lack
Where's
of
Disney's
content.
Dracula?
Sora, you must help me fight the mommy.
Okay, yeah, Realm of the Beast world. What would that be like?
Well,
Ah,
since
it's Reading.
obviously you wake up
I'm
in
your
Dracula's
daughter.
castle, and Dracula's like, Sora, you must help me. I have to steal the magic orb from Halloween Town to make it Halloween forever.
Why does Dracula want to make it Halloween forever?
'Cause that's his
That's
classic
his
motivation.
scheme.
That's
That's
a scheme.
Dracula's classic scheme.
And you have to fight. You have to go through
That's
the Mars
Dracula's
pyramid
trick.
with all of its classic tricks and traps.
Yeah.
He says,
What do you turn into
my
in that
biggest
world?
trick yet.
Goofy be a werewolf, obviously. Would Donald be?
Do we
duck.
want to fight Riku? Do we want to beat Riku's
Nah,
skull?
you're gonna get screwed up again.
Okay, I guess.
Just get the stuff, because
Where's the rope?
Disney Islands can drag.
Is it in the ocean?
Find
no.
all.
Yeah, it's
How-
in the
how
ocean.
far
If
out
you
can
keep
I-
swimming, you'll find it.
How far out can I swim
how
before I
far
get
can
eaten
you
by a
go?
big fish?
His
Huge
feet are
fishing
just
coming.
freakishly huge.
Oh, invisible
That's why
wall
it
strikes
flippers.
again.
I mean,
Oh.
I think the reason for his feet is they were trying to replicate Mickey's look, but I don't know, it just
Possible.
doesn't really transfer to like a humanoid.
Okay, wait, does
Mickey's
Riku's...
iconic.
I mean, it looks,
The
it looks
Riku's
fine
feet are normal
stylized. It's
size.
very funny.
It's
Why does Sora
stylized,
have
I-
big
feet?
I like it.
They're not normal sized at all, Jacob.
they're-
What are you talking
They
about?
look more proportional than, like...
Well, okay, they're big, but they're not as big as.
They're just flat. They're big and flat.
Yeah.
His shoe.
Oh,
One
man.
thing they could improve on in this game is if his shoes went as he walked.
Where's this rope?
If they just went, if they went,
What is this secret cavern over here?
if they just did the penguin laugh.
Hold on, we'll add some sound effects here for you, Jacob.
You can add screaming and barking.
Okay.
Can we get some bro mango up on the screen?
No.
No,
Get the
Wait, can you make a
It's not allowed.
floating hamburger with 2 eyes and a smile?
Yeah,
float
Jacob, give
across
us a
the
big
screen?
smiling hamburger. Have it come across
Alright,
the screen.
here's
will
a
ya?
big smiling hamburger.
Yo, look, it's Burgmo.
It's a burgie.
Yep.
Our character Burgmo.
Hey guys, it's
Oh.
me! It's Burgmo!
Our
It's
original
Burg.
character.
It's Burgo.
Get Fryling in here too.
Hey guys, me, Fryling.
I don't like that one.
Yeah, get out of here,
Fryling is
Fryling.
a freakish being.
Oh wait, you know where
Fryling.
Titus is? If I
Yeah,
remember
I see.
correct-
Is that where the rope is?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It depends. Just
Oh, it depends. I see.
yeah, I'm pretty sure. I
Can
don't
I-
want to. It seems so
Okay.
embarrassing if I screw this up.
Yeah, Jacob, it's
Which
gonna be
is kind of
so
hard.
embarrassing
There's
when
the
you
rope.
screw this up.
There it is.
There's the rope.
This is kind of embarrassing how you didn't see that.
Wait,
Wait,
Show
wait,
us
wait,
how
wait,
much you
wait,
got if
wait.
you wanted
Hold on,
to.
hold on. Oh, never mind. I felt a burp coming on.
Oh, okay.
Jacob,
Oh, I
I
got-
know
I
what the
think I got
next
one for
thing
you.
is, but I'm not going to tell you.
Oh, sure you do. Oh, nice, Harrison. Harrison,
Thank
are you
you.
one of those guys that can like burp at will?
Sort of. I have to like swallow a bunch of saliva for it to happen. But
How does saliva
Whoa.
transfer to burp?
I don't know. I just swallow a bunch and then I can burp. But it's a quiet, quiet little burp. Hold on.
Oh, quiet.
See,
This
it's
is
just a
important.
little baby burp.
Okay, this is an iconic moment. This is cool.
Could be.
Why are they saying that?
We'll never know. by
Doesn't
staying
like in
here.
Kingdom Hearts 2, she just lives behind the island?
Yeah, I love. So it looks like Destiny Island is like in the middle of nowhere. In Kingdom Hearts 2, they show that it's like 12 feet away from the mainland. So funny.
Yeah, and she like she goes to school and shit, and there's like other people, like normal people.
Oh,
It's a really
God.
weird
Happens all-
aspect of the world they haven't explored really. I think it's mostly because they couldn't like have that many NPCs at the time. I don't know.
Yeah, sure.
Just effort, but
Also the fact that like you leave here very early on.
yeah.
Yeah, why are we trying to leave so bad? We have a whole, like, continent to explore.
I mean, being a little child on an island does not sound fun,
Well,
Jacob.
they want to go to other worlds when like there's an entire world here that they've never seen.
Crazy Fury. Sora's just a fucking crazy ass kid. They went on a raft and Mickey fucking died, and this is all like his.
No,
Well,
yeah.
Death
Everything
Dream.
everything
Yeah,
else
this is
just
Death
like,
Dream.
It's all just a
Yeah.
dream.
Gabe, how much Kingdom Hearts media have you consumed?
0.
Don't say
Oh,
it like
so this
that.
is new to you.
Just ask him, like, what he knows about Kingdom Hearts. Don't talk about consuming media.
All I know is that he has a key. I know about Keyblades and that he hangs
Right.
and he goes around Disney. That's
Gabe,
So
it.
do
you
you
know
think-
about like
do you think you could be a
nobodies and
key-
heartlesses and vessels.
Gabe, do you think
What?
you're worthy of the Keyblade?
Nobodies,
Okay,
somebody.
Gabe,
not just
I want you to make.
Jonesy.
Okay, Gabe, I want you to assume something, or I want you to guess something. So
Yeah.
there's heartless, and there's no bodies. Okay, so one of these comes from the heart, and one of these comes from the body. Do you think the heartless are the ones with the hearts or without the hearts?
They're called heartless. They shouldn't have hearts.
No, wrong.
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 do they come from bad
Yeah,
hearts? Or
no,
something?
hearts turn into heartless, and I think bodies or souls or whatever it is turn into no bodies. It's very
No, yeah,
funny.
And then you
They
combine
explain
the
in
two
this
and you
game.
get a somebody.
They explain in this
Wow.
game that the Heartless are beings without hearts. Then they change it so that the
Oh,
Heartless
do they
are the
change it?
hearts.
Okay.
And then the Nobodies are like these ghouls, except sometimes they're hot anime
Incredible.
guys.
Hey,
Yeah,
fun
no.
fact,
Oh wait.
And they
who's-
don't have
who's this
feelings
guy?
except for when they do.
Who is
Disney
this sweet
Castle's a world in
honey?
Kingdom Hearts
Who's
2.
that
It was
guy?
originally going to be a world in the first game, and that's shown in the original trailer, but then they cut it.
What was gonna be a world?
In fact, this Disney Castle, it is in the
Oh,
second
it's
game,
a world in
but it was
Kingdom
going to be in the
Hearts
first.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
it was
just
going to
cool.
be in the first game though. But the original trailer showed
Yeah.
Disney Castle as like a
Would've been
playable
fun world,
section.
I'm sure.
So why is
Oh,
Mickey like king? Who
Well, it's
appointed
one of
him?
the coolest worlds in 2 because you go to the like old Disney
Yes,
world.
yeah,
for
that's
it.
true. Yeah, you go to the old world.
Why wouldn't Mickey be king?
Like since when is there like a feudal kingdom where Mickey
Pluto.
is the ruler?
Pluto.
Was that part of Disney canon?
Yes.
Pluto.
Yeah, Disney is the ruler of Disney World.
I see. This is
Actually,
exactly
if you go there,
this is exactly what Walt imagined.
Mickey has the legal power to just like execute you at any point if you go to Disney World.
That's real?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't read the waiver.
I almost got killed by Walt.
Donald, don't wake me up. I'm having my violent dreams again.
I'm having the war flashbacks again.
I'm having my violent out-of-body experiences, Donald.
Donald, I'm shifting.
love that,
Don't
like-
wake me up.
Donald, please, I'm
Yes,
shifting to
Donald.
Harry Potter world.
What
I'm
was
kissing
it,
Draco
Draco?
Malfoy.
Draco gave me the look. Oh, I don't like his nose.
Okay, one thing I've noticed is I
Very
love
phallic.
the continuity between Goofy's like outfit and Terra's in Birth by Sleep, and like the blue on Donald, and then Aqua.
What are you
Birth by Sleep. It's
talking
just
about?
something I've noticed.
These
Like
are words that I
literal
don't
gibberish.
understand.
These aren't real words.
No fake words.
Oh,
I
now the
hope my
ladies are
husband isn't
here.
dead.
Whoa, who are
My
those?
husband hasn't disappeared, has he?
Who are,
My
who are those ladies? Hummina, hummina, hubba, hubba.
He's back in
I hope-
Vegas, isn't he?
I hope Mickey pays child support.
Oh god, he keeps on saying he's on business trips.
On Disneyness trips. Disneyness.
Can I be up this little girl now?
We heard about the legendary power.
The poo-poo fruit.
Really care
For one bite from the poo-poo fruit and you'll be lit.
together forever and ever. For eternity.
Yeah.
Oh man, your ass is just gonna go
What do Playboy Carti
crazy.
eat? I think
Look
he
at her
eats fart.
eyes.
Poo
Jesus.
poo.
Those are cyber eyes.
No, yeah, because like Sora's eyes are animated, but like she just has dead like GIF eyes.
They're like camera lenses.
Oh,
No,
so
no,
wait, what am I?
she's part of the system, you know.
Oh,
I see. She's all part of the simulation.
This
No,
is,
this
yeah,
is
this is
Sora
a big
containment.
simulation like Traverse Town. Not Traverse
Every
Town.
every
Twilight
copy
Town.
of Kingdom Hearts is a personalized experience.
That's terrifying.
Jacob, your personalized experience is lame.
Don't you still have to find like a log or something?
No, I have all the boat parts, but I don't know
Oh,
where
you
to go.
do? Oh, sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
I think you have to get the like
The poo-poo
fish or
fruit?
some shit next, or like the mushy or the poo-poo fruit.
Oh, there's
That
an
looks
egg
like a
up
bigger
there.
fruit there.
With the poo poo.
Can I fight you again?
Stronger, but odds are you're still no match for Riku.
Oh, you bitch.
We took him on 3
You
to
dumb
1 last
fucking
time.
kid, come on.
Whipped us all.
He whipped you?
Well, I guess
Ugh.
Kyrie can always count on
Harrison, they're children.
Harrison, no kink of
King
pride.
and Kingdom Hearts.
Get the fruit.
Kingdom
Kingdom
Hearts.
No,
Kingdom
no.
That's horrible.
That's good.
That's not good.
Harrison, I think there's money in that.
Which of the 18 or older Kingdom Hearts characters, let's say 20 or older, right, to be on the safe side, which of them do you think is the freakiest?
I don't know any of them.
Definitely, fucking.
See,
the
Instinct
Wu-
says Hades, but I think that's too obvious.
He's not a Kingdom Hearts character. He's a
No,
He's
but
a
Kevin
Hercules
Spacey,
character.
Though. Kevin
Yes,
Spacey.
he is. He's a
fuck
Kingdom
that.
Hearts character.
no. Don't
Kevin
refer to him
Spacey-
as that.
Who does Kevin Spacey play in Kingdom
Okay.
Hearts?
Okay, who wants to
Yeah.
voice Kyrie for this scene?
The raft's almost ready. All we have to do now is load it with food.
Where are you gonna put the food though? How are you gonna refrigerate that?
You know.
That's not the line, Jacob.
Hey, have you seen Riku?
I hope I don't. I hate that guy. Oh,
Yeah.
oh fuck! This is the race.
Okay, what are we
should I
calling
name
this
it?
ship?
What should I name it?
And poop boat.
Poopingo.
Okay, no, it can't be poop related.
Romingo.
Poopingo.
Romingo.
It's not poop related. It's Poopingo.
Okay, I'm liking Bromingo.
No,
Bromingo.
We put
Jacob,
Garmon
you have-
Bozia.
You have to get this. We have to set sail on the SS Bromingo.
Oh god. If I don't win, I'm gonna.
Romingo.
Is there a
This
save
is
feature? Can I
actually
save the
right.
game right here and then like?
Wait,
I don't think so.
Oh my god.
Put a zero. Put a zero.
No, Bromingo. No, Gabe, this isn't some cyberpunk nonsense.
Alright, Bromingo.
Whatever.
That
You,
game, that
you
shit's
guys are
already
lame.
sailed.
you guys are lame.
Bromingo. Hey, how
Oh,
about?
my dog's here. Hello.
Hi
What's it doing?
Rocco.
Yeah.
Take a picture of
Yeah.
Rocco. I'll put it on screen right now.
Okay, yeah, no distractions, Jacob. You do this freaking race.
I'll just send you the one where he's very, very round.
Alright, awesome.
We ain't ever getting out of Destiny Islands.
Oh god. Harrison, you guys gotta hype me up. You guys gotta
Okay,
like
well,
give me
we'll
words of
hype you up.
encouragement.
It's just like Fall Guys, right? It's just Fall
Yeah.
Guys.
There's cool guys in real life.
Well, not in real life, but
No, this is real life.
not. Oh, my bad.
This is clearly real life, Harrison. What do you mean?
My count.
Oh, come on, come on.
I'm actually
Let's
like nervous.
go. We got this.
Wait, why are you not racing on the boats?
Oh,
You don't.
No, 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 no.
Awesome,
No, no, no,
dude.
no, 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 no.
oh.
Jacob, Jacob, no, Jacob, just run around. Use
How do
the
I get on?
stairs.
You're so bad.
How do I get on?
This doesn't even matter anymore, Jacob. It doesn't matter anymore.
Steal the raft. Steal it.
No, no, no,
You
no, he's
can't name it
there.
if they don't
All
have
the way
it.
around.
Oh no. No, wait, he fell off.
Oh, Jacob, you can
No,
do
but
this.
he's touched the thing and he's going back. That's why.
Oh.
Oh fuck. Come on. I got it this time.
Next up, out of Destiny Islands. Oh.
I got it. No, 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 no.
Okay, we just have to replay the game if he wins. We just have to replay
No,
the
he's
game.
walking.
It's just not a biggie. Just start from the beginning. You can always re-record this.
No,
Fine.
no, no.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, man.